Alright, so we're at some car meet here in Saga. We got the lineup. EK. We got the Teggy. I haven't washed her yet, so mind that. We got the 6 Civic right here, bro. Oh, okay. Clean. All red, too. Everyone all red. I'm a little darker, though, obviously. But damn. And we got this, guys, I want you guys to see this. Got a Civic clown car over there. It's funny. Let's go. This place is huge. We got the lineup in here. Next to the Supra. All red. Look at that. Got some 2-steps. Those headlights are fire, bro.
So Civic, you want to because of Skyline, baby. Let's go. All right, Skyline. You know I'm going from the Civic Skyline. I think the Civic just beat him. After all that shit talking, I think the Civic just beat him. Oh, that Civic, you're still in it, baby. You're still in it, baby. Oh, shit. All right, this is the competitor. All right, let's do this.
Got the suicide door.
Jenna, give me a thumbs up. You guys ready? You guys ready? The Jenna versus the Acura. All day. Somebody go ahead. All right. Are they ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? We'll go first. Let's go with Jenna. Jenna ready? Jenna! Let's go! Make some noise for your channel. What you thinking out there, guys? All right. Acura, is he ready? The jump! Is it the Acura? What's the ball in there? What's the ball? Is it jump? Is it Acura? Jump! Acura! Jump! Acura! Jump! Takes it for Crazy! Alright, Jenna, stay on! Alright, Dustin! Let's go, baby!
What the Holy bro, I've never felt that. Bro, he wins. He wins. This man fucking wins. That's and there's bro.
Really quickly.
His pipes are broken.
It's going to be a better reason.
Oh no! Both of them!
Excuse me?
Let it cool off. Let it cool off.
Oh!
Whoa!
Is he done? Is he KO'd? Is he KO'd? Come on. Here it comes.
It's leaking.
All right, Jenna, one last time. Let's go. Okay. Baby Blue ready? She good? She good? Is it gray? Is it blue? You called it. You called it. It is down. Stick it. Taking the whole thing down to two sticker teams. Here we go. You've got the purple and the blue. Same team battling for supremacy. Dubstep, are you ready? You're going to get your boy. Here we go.
Oh, God.
For real. Like,
Nice, gently.
First of all, give these two battle boys a nice round of applause out there doing the most. All right, plug your ears, same time, the two champions, the purple, the blue, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Guys, make some noise out there for these two motherfuckers. That's all I gotta say that you guys are. Bad MFs. That's it. I'm making a shirt for you guys just because of this. But loser. Who is the winner? Is it the purple dubstep? Or is it liquid molly, baby blue? Purple? Baby blue? Baby blue? Baby motherfucking blue! Either way, it doesn't matter because it's on the same team. Stick it! Coming through! Crushing the two-step competition! Baby blue! Where's the chick? Where's the goddamn chick? Yo, hold us up. Here, hold us up. Look at that. Give me that. Now you better shut down. That's right. You better check it. You better check it. That's right. That's right. That's how you stick it. Insane battle.
Damn.
The champ from Stick It coming through. 2-7.